Inside Zion United Church of Christ on the corner of 9th and Frederick, typical church activities are underway. Ladies volunteer time to help collect food donations, make quilts, and plan events. But their latest event is a first for St. Joseph.
We tend to step forward when nobody else does and really fight for what we believe is right.
Stephanie Crowley is a lifelong member of Zion and co-chair of its Gay Straight Christian Fellowship. The group is sponsoring St. Joe Pride, the city's first ever festival for the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community.
To be sort of blazing the trail for something like this for our community and our region, we're really excited about that.
Crowley says the church promotes justice and equality for all, something church member Laura Crowley is proud to see.
Stories of people who have been disenchanted because of the treatment they have received that was not nice is very wrong. So what little bit I can do to help this along, I shall do.
At 83 years old, she knows not everyone shares the same belief.
The other day, this one really fractured me. How anybody over 70 was going to be upset about gays, for instance. And I thought, mister, you ought to come to our church.
Laura is one of the hostesses for Saturday's Pride Festival. Hundreds of others from the region have come forward in support of the event. And while some might not agree with the lifestyle, Crowley hopes their effort educates those curious about the LGBT community.
We need to be that beacon of light where people feel safe and people feel respected and they feel like they have their dignity.
Crowley hopes St. Joe Pride brings that message to light. Cherish Underly, KQ2 News.